This is the all-new Chaparral 28 Surf, very similar to the 287 SSX, but this is focused more at water sports and primarily at surfing. Like the 287 SSX, the 28 Surf has a power step system. The platform goes up and down and allows you easier access into the water. Really easy access onto this boat off the dock with this huge platform. You can get onto it from the side or straight off the back. We also have 2 fuel filler systems on this boat. 1 fuel tank, but just purely for convenience, a fuel filler on each side. There's a towing point integrated into the center of the boat at the back. There is a stereo remote and a trim switch. You also have a transom shower. Very wide bench seats at the back, and you still have access straight through into the boat when people are sat here. This area also converts into a huge sun pad by pulling firmly on this. The floor on the boat is finished with a UL non-slip grip, but also has this removable soft deck flooring, which is optional. The deck on this boat is fully self-draining as well, so all the water goes directly overboard. You have huge L-shaped seating to this side and another 2-person seating on this side. The upholstery is very luxurious, just like everything Chaparral do. You have a great stereo system on this boat as well, with backlit speakers and the Chaparral logos embossed. The electric folding tower on this boat is very convenient for getting under bridges or for getting your boat into a garage. This one's obviously black, it's available in white also, and you can also specify the detailing, like these panels that are integrated onto the boat, both inside and outside. Board racks on this boat as well are an option. You can turn them in to avoid branches, but also to access your boards easier. You've got a Volvo 380 horsepower V8 engine, which pushes this boat along through its forward-facing drive. You've got a huge locker under this seat here. You've got an Igloo cool box, which is removable. Underneath the floor here, you have a huge ski locker. Now, the ballast tank is an inflatable ballast tank, which is in there also, but the thing is massive. Both these helm seats spin round to make it a great sociable area with a table. In this compartment, we have a toilet with electric flush and a holding tank. There's a sink in here with a shower wand, and as you can see, it's luxuriously appointed. There's a glove box on top of this door here, and then down for the passenger you have a cup holder, great stainless steel grab handle and USB charging points. Same for the driver here, but you've also got the Clarion stereo system to hand on that side. These helm seats are absolutely fantastic to sit in. They're very comfortable. They're vented, and you've got the controls on the top of it, so you can maneuver it very easily without having to mess around underneath the seats. You also have a flip-up bolster, which allows you to sit up higher when you're driving. Helm position in this boat is absolutely fantastic. You've got adjustable steering, a really nice stainless steel 3-spoke steering wheel that's wrapped in leather and has a Chaparral spinner at the centre, which always stays level. Directly in front of the steering wheel, you have 2 Simrad 9-inch displays, both of which do exactly the same thing. So you can have all your engine data running through them, you can have GPS, you can have depth, but you also have the surf system controlled directly through here, which puts the gates out on each side, fills or empties the ballast tank, and works with cruise controls and things like that. As with every Chaparral, the driving position is fantastic. You get very little bow rise going onto the plane, and the windscreen is perfectly positioned in relation to where you're sitting. Walking through to the bow is simple, nice wide access, but on those colder days, you can open this up here, lock that into place, close your screen off, and give you protection from the wind. Also behind this, we've got a nice big storage drawer, and directly below it, we have a fridge. Under this seat at the front is another insulated cooler. You've got storage under the seats on each side. On both sides of the boat, you have this smart flip-up armrest, just so you've got perfect comfort when sitting forward. So up in the anchor locker, you have an anchor locker lid, which is held open by friction hinges, so it's not going to drop down on your fingers. You've got a boarding ladder that lifts out, and you've also got a cradle that the anchor sits in, so it's not taking chunks out of your gel coat when you're underway. So this 28 Surf is finished in the Biscayne blue, which is one of the most popular colours, with the contrasting black stripe, which has glitter in the paint. It looks really smart. Further down the side here, you can see what makes your surfing wave, basically. This is the Malibu Surf Gate system. When this comes out on this side, it creates a wave on the other side of the boat. For more information on the Chaparral Surf Series or anything else in the Chaparral range, please get in touch with idealboat.com.